Welcome to our session on laundry equipment maintenance. Understanding how to properly maintain our laundry equipment is critical for ensuring safety, efficiency, and longevity. Today, we'll cover essential daily maintenance tasks, preventive maintenance schedules, and the importance of safety protocols to keep our operations running smoothly. Daily maintenance must-dos. Let's start with the daily maintenance must-dos. First, always clean lint filters after every dryer cycle to prevent fire risks. Additionally, wipe down machine exteriors with disinfectant to avoid dirt buildup. It's also essential to check for leaks or unusual noises and report any issues immediately. Lastly, remember to empty drain hoses to prevent clogs and potential water damage. These simple tasks can make a big difference in the safety and efficiency of our laundry operations. Preventive maintenance schedule. Next, let's discuss our preventive maintenance schedule. Weekly and monthly steps include inspecting belts and bearings for wear and tear, lubricating hinges and moving parts according to manufacturer guidelines, and testing safety features such as door locks and emergency stops. Additionally, deep cleaning drums and dispensers with vinegar or approved cleaners is vital for maintaining performance and hygiene. Safety is our top priority. Always follow critical protocols such as lockout/tagout procedures to isolate power or steam before repairs. When handling chemicals, make sure to wear personal protective equipment, including gloves and goggles. Never overload machines, as this can strain the motor, and keep children and pets away during operation. These practices ensure a safe working environment for everyone. Tools and consumables. For laundry equipment maintenance, cleaning detergent removes buildup, ensuring optimal performance. Lubricating oil reduces friction on moving parts, extending lifespan. Replacement belts maintain proper function, while inspection tools like wrenches and screwdrivers allow for quick checks and adjustments. Shape. Thank you for your attention and commitment to understanding laundry equipment maintenance. Join our comprehensive HVAC courses designed to equip you with the confidence and in-depth knowledge needed to excel in any 5-star hotel or facility. Register on our HEGSDC.com LMS portal today and complete your course to receive your certification immediately.